How to add Leonardo AI Premium. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to add Leonardo AI Premium. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. The first step is access the Leonardo AI platform. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Leonardo AI website. Ensure you're on the legitimate site to avoid any potential security risks. Second step is log in or create your account. If you're a returning user, enter your credentials to log in. If you're new, initiate the sign up process. The third step is locate the subscription section. Once logged in, carefully examine the user interface. Look for a clearly labeled button or menu option indicating upgrade, subscription, or similar. The fourth step is explore and select a premium plan. You'll be presented with a selection of premium subscription plans. Thoroughly review each plan they offer. The fifth step, initiate the payment procedure. After choosing your desired plan, you'll be redirected to a secure payment gateway. Enter your payment details accurately, ensuring all information is correct. The sixth and the last step, confirm and activate your subscription. Upon successful payment processing, you'll receive a confirmation message on the screen and likely an email confirmation. Your account will be immediately upgraded to the chosen premium plan. Verify the activation by checking your account settings or attempting to use the premium features.